it sat for 2 years. So like, good look at how gross this thing is. Mainly because the engine blew in the car. This is the car here. Has been washed in probably a couple of years. How gross this thing is. And just look at everything, all this dirt and crud just like literally caked on. It's gonna take a lot of work to get this thing clean, but we'll show you the whole process. We're not gonna do like a full detail. I'm not worried about the interior. I'm really just gonna be getting it washed because I have another car that I wanna wash today too.